What's good, family? How's everybody doing today on this lovely Tuesday afternoon? Hopefully, everybody's doing wonderfully blessed. Most importantly, having a safe day wherever you guys are at. This is your boy, Jaime G, and you guys know what time it is, baby. I'm about to drop it like it's hot, baby, and break you off some Doge and overall crypto market news. That's what I talk about on this channel, guys. Developing and breaking Doge and crypto market news. If you're new to my channel, I appreciate you stopping by. Maybe you can consider to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Turn it on to all so you can be notified at all times when I come through. None of this is ever financial advice. Just me sharing my thoughts and opinions. Nothing more, nothing less. Now that we got all that yip out of the way, let's dive into the wild west of crypto land and see what's going on in the markets, guys. All right, Bitcoin is sitting at 48,200. It is up 2.3%. As you can see, guys, the market is pretty much green, right? There's some red, right? But there's more green than there is red. Why? Because good old Grandpa Bitcoin is doing his thing and he's in the green, right? Now, they're talking about that there's a head and shoulders pattern forming for Bitcoin, right? The right shoulder hasn't formed, but there's a possibility that it can. And if it does, the likely scenario is that we go down to about 42,000 and some change, right? That is our next level of support. And if we don't hold that, then you know what I mean, it can be looking very ugly very quick. But I don't think the bull run is over. I think Bitcoin is just doing its thing and it's consolidating. But all right, enough of Bitcoin. Let's dive into the main superstar of my channel, and that is Dogecoin, guys. We ranking number 10 once again, baby. I told you guys that we were gonna take our spot back, right? And nonetheless, we bumped out Terra Luna and reclaimed that number 10 spot. All right. Bitcoin is sitting at 18. Bitcoin, I'm sorry, guys. Dogecoin is sitting at 1868, almost 19 cents, guys. We are up 17.7% for the day. In the last 7 days, up 4.8. The last 30 days, we're down 28%. And in the last year, we are still up 5,626.2%. All right, so if you would invested in Dogecoin in the beginning of January, you would still be up a whopping 45,600%. That's a pretty damn good return for your investment. Our market our market cap is sitting at 24.7 billion, and trading volume in the last 24 hours is at 5.8 billion. That is a major difference, guys. We are up over 200% in trading volume in the last 24 hours because we were just at like 922 million, and now we're at 5.8 billion. You know what I mean? All because of Tesla accepting Doge as a form of payment. It skyrocketed Doge almost to 22 cents. Then it retraced back to where it's at now. 24-hour low, guys, was 0.2123, almost 22 cents. Although on some exchanges, they were saying 22 cents. And our 24-hour low was at 156, right? 15 cents. So we've shot up from 15 cents to where we're at now. So things are looking good, guys. All right, enough of the stats. Now let's dive into the charts, right? Because I got some pretty bullish stuff going on to show you guys here on the charts, right? Because things were looking bearish, right, guys? But nonetheless, if you guys go back and look at my previous videos, right, I always continue to show this descending channel, which are these two lines here, right? Where we've been trading in a descending channel here for over a month, right? But I had told you guys in my last couple videos, right, because we had been consolidating. Let me get my scribbler here. In this area right here, right, between 16 and 18 cents. And I had said in about 6 to 7 days, we were going to hit this line of resistance right here, and we were going to break either to the upside or to the downside, right? And I said, in my opinion, I believed we were going to break to the upside. And sure enough, look what's happened, guys. We broke out of this descending channel to the upside, and that is bullish, right? That is one bullish technical. And the other bullish is we broke past our level of resistance, which was this blue line here, which was the 10-day simple moving average, right? Now we have broke above it, and now we have made it our support. But to solidify, guys, as you can see right here, right, we need today's candle, at least for the next 1 to 2 days, to stay above or out of this descending channel, right, guys? We don't want to, you know what I mean, dip back low. So hopefully the bulls will continue to put pressure, and we will stay above this line of resistance right here in this descending channel, right, guys? So we got some bullish technicals going for us right now. Plus, we got fundamentals going on, right, guys? So we got a lot of positive catalysts going for us as far as the price of Doge goes, right? So hopefully it'll help to continue to push the price up, and we will break our level of resistance, right, which is coming in at 20 cents. right? Which is this yellow horizontal. I know I got a bunch of yellow lines here, right, guys? This yellow horizontal, long horizontal line, guys, that is our level of resistance, right, guys? And it's coming in at 20 cents. This stupid thing is pissing me off. All right, guys, here we go. Right, it's coming in at 20 cents, which is, like I said here, this line right here, right? 20 cents. And 20 cents, right? Because if you see right here in this area, guys, right, 20 cents was holding us for a good little time, right? And that was acting as support. And then once we hit this candle here, we dipped below, and then 20 cents became our level of resistance, right? So the key takeaway, I know I have a lot of scribbles, right? The key takeaway is we were in a descending channel. We have broke to the upside out of this descending channel. We have broke resistance, flipped the trend, made resistances to support. Support is coming in at the 10-day moving average, 17 cents. And support now is at, or resistance rather, is at 20 cents. Okay, so that's the key takeaway from looking at this charts. Hopefully I wasn't too all over the place for you guys. All right, now let's dive into some Doge news. All right, so first things first, real quick, we'll go down the line. Now, Shiba and Dogecoin go live on major Indian crypto exchange. Right now, says Dogecoin and Shiba, the two largest meme coins, are now available in the trading on Indian exchange UNO Coin. The company announced on Monday. Now, for those of you that don't know, guys, the UNO Coin is basically like the Coinbase of America, but it's like the Coinbase of India. So this is a very big thing for Dogecoin to be on this UNO Coin exchange in India, right? Very positive catalyst for Doge. Why? So people in India, you know what I mean, can trade Doge. They can hodl it or trade or whatever it is that they want to do. So that is a positive catalyst, right? Here's our next positive catalyst. Dogecoin flips Terra Luna, enters the top 10 amid latest surge. You know what I mean? That is cool, guys. You know what I mean? That is another major accomplishment. Right now, we are, because we're sitting at, you know, I think it's 24 point, what I said, we're at 24 billion and Terra Luna is at 21 million, right? So they're about $3 billion below us, right, guys? So things are looking good. Hopefully we'll continue to go back down the line and make it to number one, baby. But you know what I mean? So there's a lot of positive stuff going on for us right now, right? All right, now here's the most important one, right? That created this whole push up, right? It says breaking. Elon Musk says Tesla will add Dogecoin payment for its merch store. Now says Times Person of the Year. Elon Musk is doubling down on his Dogecoin payment take as he announced Tesla will accept Doge payments for some of his merchandise. Musk in a tweet said the company would see how Dogecoin payments works with the system, right, guys? Now this is what he had to say basically about Bitcoin, right? Now it says fundamentally, Bitcoin is not a good substitute for a transactional currency. Musk told the Time magazine after being named Times 2021 Person of the Year. Even though it was created as a silly joke, Dogecoin is better and suitable for transactions. You know what I mean, guys? So, you know, this is the positive catalyst that we've been waiting for quite some time. Now it happened, and it proved to be a major positive catalyst and helped push the price of Doge almost to 22 cents, right? And then we retraced, and now we're almost at 19 cents, but nonetheless, from 15 cents to almost 22 cents and back down to 18, that where things are looking good, right? And as I showed you on the technicals, things are looking on the technical side. Now we have good things going on for us as far as fundamentals go. We got a lot of positive catalysts going for us, right? Now here we go. We have over $4 billion pumps into Dogecoin in minutes as coin becomes most traded token on Binance Smart Chain. Obviously, like we said, guys, this was because of Elon's tweet, right? And Tesla accepting Dogecoin, right? He's the Dogefather, right? And he majorly supports Dogecoin, and that's why we love him, right? And it just basically talks about, you know what I mean, the whole thing, right, guys, on how you know, he's accepting it, so on and so forth, and how we have taken number 10, right, guys, that number 10 spot, right, guys? So I'm not going to get to the article, right, but I just wanted to point out right here, guys, that we have over $4 billion, right? So it goes to show, right, when the Doge army wants to make things happen and move things in the Doge market, we can, guys. When we really band together as Doge army, you can see the power of our community, guys, and how it makes things happen. You know what I mean? So, now Now, here are some. I know I already talked about this, but I want to reiterate on this, guys, because there is a lot of positive stuff going for us as of the month of December. Now, Dogecoin all-time miner revenue hits 1 billion milestone, right, guys? So we hit a pretty much all-time high of miners making revenue, right? They hit $1 billion, guys. That is huge for the people that are mining Dogecoin, right? Why? Because the demand is still there regardless of the dips, regardless of it hitting being down 74% from its all-time highs, right? When in doubt, zoom out, as everybody always says, you know what I mean? Then here's another positive catalyst. Large investor increases Dogecoin holdings by 6.3 million coins, right? Goes to show you that whales are still accumulating, right, guys? They continue to buy the dip regardless, right? But we are pushing our way back up, right? Hopefully to make new all-time highs. Now, can we hit $1 by the end of this year? More than likely, I highly doubt it, but hopefully we can hit it for like 50 cents, right? But nonetheless, guys, I know at least first quarter of 2022, I think will be a really great start to the year for us, guys. You know what I mean? I really do. We have a lot of positive stuff going for us, right? Now we have, like I said, Tesla accepting Doge, and that was the #1 catalyst that we've been waiting for all year long. And it finally happened. And look, it did act as a positive and help push the price up. But all right, guys, you guys have a wonderfully blessed Tuesday. Stay safe and stay blessed. Your boy Jaime G is out. Peace.